In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this voxel generator. So the first thing to note is that my voxel size is 25 on the voxel world settings. Another important thing for me is the world size. There will be a separate video on performance and why this is important. For now, just make sure that the world size doesn't clip off any of the detail. I'm using cubic for this example. And I have a max slot at 0. So now let's open the generator. So let's start over here. We have this voxel size divided by 100. Now all you need to know on this part is that the voxel size is a real world space. And what we're doing here is we're keeping the same amount of detail, but we're scaling up the voxels or scaling down the voxels. Here we have our scale variable, and basically what it's doing is even if we change the voxel size, it would keep our sphere the same size in the world. You can still change the actual size in the world using radius. So if I plug this into set value, we can see it's just a sphere. So next we have this 3D Perlin noise, and we're just using this to deform the shape. So if I plug this one in that's being added on top, then we can see we've deformed the shape a little bit. Just makes it a little more interesting. And then we're coming down here and adding crater noise. So now we're just adding craters to the surface, and if I plug that in, it really changes it. So then I have this height splitter that we're just using to kind of form a gradient on the asteroid. You can kind of see it's blending it in instead of just 0 fall off.